Good day, Ma'am Beneventura. I'm Payangayong Edson from 1AG1. Present our introduction. Sustainable building aim to reduce environmental impact by using resources, efficiency, and minimizing waste. In drafting, these structures' primary concern include site analysis, eco-friendly material selection, water conservation, indoor air quality, waste reduction, and life cycle impact. Designer must carefully assess the building's location and climate, improve energy performance used through insulation and renewable systems, choose eco-friendly materials, and plan for water efficiency, creating a healthy indoor environment and minimizing construction waste are also critical. Sustainable building drafting ensures that the structure is not only environmentally but also functional and durable over its entire life cycle.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Glenn T. Polintan from 1EG1. I'm here to present benefits of using sustainable building in drafting. Sustainable building materials and their drafting. Here are the benefits of using sustainable materials in drafting. Using sustainable materials in drafting offer numerous benefits that extend beyond in being eco-friendly. It's a smart choice for the environment, for health, and for your wallet. Environmental benefits. Sustainable materials like bamboo or recycled steel help save our planet's resources. Instead of using new stuff from the earth, which can harm habitats and pollute the air, we use materials that are recycled or reground quickly. This resource place and plants and animals that live there. It's about being more careful with we take from nature. Sa paggamit ng mga sustainable materials, nakakatulong tayo sa pag-save ng mga resources. Sa halip na gumamit ng bagong gamit, ay mas pililing gumamit ng mga recycle materials or mga gamit na mabilis bumalik. Dahil dito, makakatulong ito sa pagbawas ng waste at mapapangalagaan ng halaman at hayop na nakatira doon. Economic advantage. While some sustainable materials might cost more at first, they save you money in the long run. They often last longer and require less maintenance using materials that make a building more energy efficient, like better insulation, can also drastically lower a building's utility bills. Plus, buildings designed with these materials are often more valuable because people are increasingly looking for eco-friendly homes and office. Bagamat maaaring mas mahal ang mga sustainable na materials, sa simula, nakakatipid ka sa bandang huli. Sa katunayan, mas nagtatagal ang mga ito. Sa paggamit ng materials na may energy efficient at better insulation, mas nakakatulong ito para sa mababang bills. Health and well-being. Sustainable materials can make our indoor spaces much healthier. Many traditional materials release harmful chemicals into the air. But sustainable options like low emission paint don't. This leads to clean air inside, which is better for everyone, especially for people with allergies or asthma. Sustainable design also often use natural light and fresh air, making spaces more comfortable and pleasant to be in. Ang mga sustainable materials ay nakakatulong para maging mas matibay ang loob ng ating mga bahay o gusali. Maraming tradisyonal na materials ang naglalabas ng masasamang chemical sa hangin. Pero ang mga sustainable na option tulad ng mga pintura na may mahabang emission ay hindi nagre-resulta ito sa mas malinis na hangin sa loob, na mas mainam para sa lahat, lalo na sa mga may allergy o hika. Kadalasan din gumagamit ang mga sustainable na disenyo ng natural na liwanag at sariwang hangin na nagpapagaan at nagpapasarap sa pakiramdam ng isang espasyo. Other benefits. Choosing sustainable materials can also be great for business. It shows clients and partners that you care about the environment, which can improve your reputation and brand image. It also helps you meet or even exceed environmental rules and regulations. This focus on sustainable encourage new ideas and technologies opening up new opportunities in the market. Dahil sa pagpili sa mga sustainable materials, nakikita ng mga client na may pakialam tayo sa environment na nagre-resulta sa magandang reputasyon. Nakakatulong din ito sa pagsunod ng mga rules and regulations.
Good day, ma'am. I'm Ryan F. Pangang from 1EG1. I'm here to present the drafting materials for the drafting considerations. When drafting materials, it is essential to clearly define the purpose and understand the target audience to ensure the content is relevant and engaging. Clarifying structure and logical flow are key to make the materials easy to read and understand. The tone, language, and level of formality should align with the intimate context, whether professional, academic, or casual. Additionally, attention should be given accuracy, proper grammar, and citation of source of maintain credibility and support materials objectives. Another important consideration is format and medium through which materials be delivered. Whatever is printed, document, digital article, presentation, or social media post, the design, layout, and length should be suited to platform and the audience expectation. Visual elements and such heading, bullet point images, or chart or enhance readability and engagement when used appropriately. It's also beneficial to review and revise draft multiple times, ensure clarity, coherence, and overall quality before finalizing the material.
Good day, ma'am. I am Ulysses S. Paxson from 1HE1, and I am here to present to you the types of sustainable buildings. What is sustainable buildings? Sustainable buildings are made to save energy, water, and other resources. They are good for people, the environment, and even help reduce cost. Simply put, they are smarter and greener ways of building for the future. So, I am here to discuss to you the types of sustainable buildings. Number 1. Passive house. This house is designed to save as much energy as possible. It keeps heat during cold weather and stays cool in hot weather with thick insulation and airtight design. Number 2. Zero energy building. A building that produces the same amount energy it uses, often through solar panels and wind turbines. Number 3. Green roofs. A roofs covered with plants. They keep the buildings cooler, clean the air, and help reduce rainwater. Number 4. Adaptive reuse. Recycling an old buildings by giving them new purposes instead of tearing them down.
Good day, ma'am. I am Princess Nicole Aries from 1EG1, presenting the conclusion of our presentation. Sustainable building is more than just a trend. It's a necessary evolution in how we design, construct, and live within our built environments by aiming to reduce environmental impact. Sustainable building practices focus on using resources efficiently, minimizing waste, and creating structures that are both resilient and adaptable. Through thoughtful site analysis, energy efficient system, eco-friendly and material selection, water conservation, and life cycles planning, architects and designers are shaping the future of construction to align with needs of both people and the planet. Example, such as passive houses, zero energy building, green roofs, and adaptive reuse projects demonstrate the real-world application of this principle. These buildings not only consume less energy and water but also contribute to improved air quality, reduce urban heat, and create a biodiversity in cities. They serve as principal solution to global challenges such as climate change, resource depletion, and urban overcrowding. Besides, the use of sustainable materials offers significant advantages, not only environmentally but also economically and in terms of human health. While some materials may have a higher upfront cost, they often last longer, require less maintenance, and contribute to lower utility bills. Health-wise, sustainable materials and thoughtful design reduce indoor pollutants, and enhance natural lighting and ventilation, creating safer and more comfortable spaces for occupants. Incorporating sustainability into building design also has broader social and economic benefits. It supports innovation, encourages the use of renewable resources, and aligns with growing global standards and regulation. For businesses, it can improve brand image, attract eco-conscious clients, and open access to green financing and certification opportunities. Ultimately, sustainable building is about creating smarter, healthier, and more responsible spaces that serve current need without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It is a holistic approach that connects architecture, environment, economy, and society, paving the way for a more